How to remove desktop search bar in Windows 10. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you how you can disable desktop search bar in Windows 10 or disable desktop edge bar. So I have Windows 11. There might be slight changes with the interface, but however, I'll be showing you how you can do it. Now, in case in your Windows 10, if you have a search bar located right over here, what you need to do is you need to tap on the three dot icon located right in the corner. After that, you'll be able to see search bar. As you click on the search bar tab, it's going to direct you to the settings page where you'll be able to find disable or hide search bar feature. So if you click on disable or hide, you'll be able to see that the search bar will be removed from your home screen. And in case of Windows 11, you can see that the search bar is right over here. You need to long press on it, or you'll need to tap on it in that green dot icon located right on top. After that, go to search settings, and it's going to direct you to the settings page. So in order to disable or hide your search bar, you'll need to right click on your mouse right at the bottom, make sure to click right at the edge and go to taskbar settings. After that, it's going to direct you to the taskbar settings. Here you can see right on top your search. So if you want to disable the search bar, or if you want to delete the search bar, then click on the search bar and you can see the multiple option. If you want to hide it, just tap on the hide button, and as soon as you've done that, you can see that the search bar feature has been turned off. And this way you can disable or turn off your search bar on Windows 10. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.